Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to install Peppermint on an Ubuntu 24.04 server.
MivoCloud. Power your digital future.
First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command.
First things first, we need to download and add official Docker GPG secure key. Use the following command. Now let's prepare the environment for our Helpdesk. Create a folder named Peppermint and switch into it immediately. Using the NANO text editor, we're going to create our Docker configuration file. Pass the following configuration. Now let's launch our Docker container in the background. Once it's up and running, we can open our web browser and navigate to our server's IP with port 3000. Now all that's left to do is to log in and you can start working with it. By the way, you can use the promo code shown on the screen and in the description to get a 20% discount for free mouse on all virtual services on our website.